Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions by comparing the hottest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, and we've got two high flyers ready to battle it out for your hard-earned cash. On the left, we have the LMRC-12 drone, and on the right, the FOCJANK brushless motor drone. Let's see which one soars above the competition. First up, let's talk about the price. The LMRC-12 comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. Meanwhile, the FOCJANK brushless motor drone is a bit more posh at $119. So if you're looking to save some bucks, LMRC-12 is your buddy. But let's see if that extra $40 on the FOCJANK is worth it. Next, let's get into those cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera, but LMRC-12 has a 90 degrees adjustable angle. FOCJANK ups the ante with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable camera. Reviewers note that the LMRC-12 offers good video quality for the price, while FOCJANK provides better camera angles for those dynamic shots. So if you're into capturing every possible angle of your aerial acrobatics, FOCJANK's got you covered. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, those motors. Both drones feature brushless motors, but FOCJANK makes a big deal about reducing energy consumption and extending motor life. LMRC-12, on the other hand, promises strong wind resistance and a quieter flight. Reviewers have praised LMRC-12 for its stable flight and durable design, while FOCJANK is noted for its smooth flying and quiet operation. So if you want your drone to sound like a whispering ninja, LMRC-12 is the way to go. But if you prefer your drone to outlast your ex's bad habits, FOCJANK is your guy. Flight time is crucial. LMRC-12 offers 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. FOCJANK, well, they didn't specify, but reviewers have mentioned nearly 20-minute flight times on a single battery. LMRC-12 definitely takes the cake here for those longer joyrides. Both drones claim to be beginner-friendly with features like one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and altitude hold. But LMRC-12 goes a step further with hand gesture photo and path drawing in the app. FOCJANK counters with 3D flips and optical flow positioning. Reviewers have found LMRC-12 easy to use and great for beginners, while FOCJANK is praised for its fun 3D flips. So if you want to impress your friends with some mid-air somersaults, FOCJANK is your go-to. But if you want to feel like a wizard commanding your drone with hand gestures, LMRC-12 has your back. Finally, let's talk FPV transmission. LMRC-12 uses 2.4 GHz for real-time transmission, while FOCJANK boasts a 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV, promising smoother, lag-free videos even at longer distances. Reviewers have mentioned that FOCJANK provides smoother video quality, making it ideal for those epic long-distance shots. But hey, if you're not planning to fly your drone to the next town, LMRC-12 will do just fine. The LMRC-12 drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, stable flight, and decent camera quality, making it a great option for beginners. However, some reviewers have mentioned issues with the app and instructions. On the other hand, the FOCJANK brushless motor drone is noted for its smooth flying, quiet operation, and excellent customer service, but it has faced some criticism for connectivity issues and occasional flyaways. So there you have it, folks. The LMRC-12 drone and the FOCJANK brushless motor drone both have their strengths. If you're on a budget and want a drone that's packed with fun features, LMRC-12 is your wingman. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for better camera angles and smoother FPV transmission, FactJank is your high-flying hero. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.